Hello and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you how I make the Nigerian pepper soup. For list of ingredients used for this recipe, please check the description bar below. Clean and cook the meat starting with the tripe or shaki, which is the toughest. Add enough water to cover the meat. Then add salt. Cover and leave for about 35 minutes on medium heat. After 35 minutes, stir and add the heart. Now cover and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, add the mussel, also known as fuku, and the liver. Stir well and add more water. Remember, this is a soup, so you'll be needing more water. Add the onions. Add the stock powder or stock cubes and mix thoroughly. Now cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir well and add the pepper soup spices. Add Habanero pepper. Chilli pepper will do just fine. Stir well and add the ground crayfish. Now add dry Uziza leaves or basil leaves depending on your preference. Cover and leave to simmer for 5 minutes or until the assorted meats are completely done. The pepper soup is ready when all the meats are completely done. Looks yummy, doesn't it? Serve hot and enjoy with friends and family on a cold day or any other day you like. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumb up by clicking on the like button. Thanks for watching. You might also like the Nigerian Egusi soup recipe and the Ogbono soup recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious Nigerian food and snack recipes. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.